world built on systems where data powers decisions, where one mistake can cost everything.
We asked one question: what if we could make it smarter, faster, and safer?
What if trust didn't have to be earned because it was already programmed in?
What if every transaction, every material, every step in your project was recorded, secured, and never forgotten?
That future is here, and it's called blockchain.
From construction to manufacturing, blockchain is revolutionizing the way engineers work, think, and deliver.
Say goodbye to outdated systems. Say hello to transparency, efficiency, and automation.
Smart contracts, secure data, real time updates. It's not just innovation, it's reinvention.
But we're not just watching this change, we're engineering it.
Because we are not just future engineers, we are the architects of the digital era.
Blockchain and engineering. Redefine the system, rebuild the future.
We are Group 6 from BSI 2B, and today we are excited to present a topic that bridges modern innovation with industrial progress: blockchain in engineering. Consider a system where every transaction, every update, and every project detail is recorded permanently and cannot be tampered with. That's blockchain. Originally known for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain has evolved far beyond digital money. It is now what we call a general purpose technology, a foundational innovation like electricity or the internet that can transform entire industries. But what exactly is blockchain? It is a digital ledger, a record system where data is stored in blocks, cryptographically linked together. This chains this chain of blocks is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. And once data is recorded, it cannot be altered. That's what makes it so secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Now let's bring this into the world of engineering, from managing large infrastructures, projects to secure sensitive data in manufacturing. Blockchain offers powerful solutions. It introduces transparency in operation, enhances traceability in supply chains, and boosts efficiency across project life cycle. Let's move on to the history and significance of this topic.
Blockchain's journey began in the early 1990s with Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta, who proposed a way to timestamp digital documents securely. But it was not until 2008 that blockchain gained global recognition, thanks to a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto and the creation of Bitcoin. What made what made Bitcoin revolutionary wasn't just the currency. It was the underlying blockchain system that allowed secure peer-to-peer transactions without a middleman. Later in 2015, Ethereum took blockchain even further by introducing smart contracts, which are automated programs that run when certain conditions are met. So, why is this important now? In today's fast-paced engineering world, blockchain brings security, accuracy, and automation. Engineers are using it to monitor energy usage, ensure ethical sourcing of materials, and even automate building inspections. Whether in civil, mechanical, or industrial fields, blockchain is becoming a critical tool. The integration of blockchain isn't just an upgrade, it is a transformation, especially relevant as industries embrace digitalization, sustainability, and Industry 4.0. Let us explore the issues and challenges holding back full adoption.
Despite blockchain's promise, its adoption in engineering faces several hurdles. First, many engineering systems still depends on the legacy technologies, manual records, old ERP software, or CAD tools that don't integrate with blockchain. Upgrading these systems is expensive, disruptive, and often meets resistance from stakeholders. Second, privacy is a major concern. Blockchain's strength is transparency, but that can conflict with the need to keep engineering data, like proprietary designs or client contracts, confidential. Third is the cultural resistance. Engineering industries are often conservative, and blockchain's decentralized nature challenges traditional hierarchies. And lastly, legal and regulatory. Uncertainties make things more complex. With no standard frameworks for blockchain in engineering, companies face risk in implementation. But on the brighter side, blockchain adoption is gaining more momentum. Today, engineering firms are using it for supply chain management, ensuring every part from the raw materials to delivery is traceable and secure. Others are exploring smart contracts to automate payments and compliance. We're also seeing it used in building information modeling and digital twins, where blockchain secures every update, making collaboration seamless and audible. So, what does this mean for the future of industrial engineers?
Blockchain is not just a tech trend, it's reshaping how industrial engineers work. Industrial engineering is all about optimizing systems, reducing waste, and increasing efficiency. Blockchain supports all of that by offering a secure and tamper-proof way to track and verify every process. Let's take supply chain management. With blockchain, we can trace a product from its origin to the consumer. We get real-time data, less fraud, fewer delays, and better quality control. It's a dream come true for industrial engineers. Another major impact is in decision making. Blockchain ensures that the data used in forecasting or scheduling is authentic and reliable, crucial for accurate modeling and planning. And then there's the automation aspect. With smart contracts, routine tasks like procurement or maintenance updates can be automated. That means fewer error, faster workflows, and more trust among partners. In short, blockchain align perfectly with the goals of industrial engineering, efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. Now let's look ahead. How will this change careers in industries?
Blockchain is unlocking new career paths for future engineers like us. As industry digitizes, the rising demand for professionals who can manage blockchain-based systems, we're talking about roles like blockchain analysts, supply chain auditors, smart contract developers, and operation managers for blockchain integrated platforms. These aren't jobs for the future. They are happening now in industry like logistics, energy, manufacturing, and even in healthcare. But the transition won't be easy. We'll need new skills in cryptography, decentralized systems, and cross-disciplinary thinking. School and industries must collaborate to modernize curriculum, offer certification, and support workforce upskill. In conclusion, blockchain has the potential to redefine engineering. It solves major issues in trust, security, and efficiency. It's not a replacement for engineers, but a tool to make more powerful, precise, and future-ready. The key to success is balance between innovation and regulation, between transparency and privacy, and between ambition and education. We believe that as blockchain matures, it will become a cornerstone of smarter, stronger, and more resilient engineering system. Thank you. And we hope this presentation helped you see how blockchain is not just the future of technology, it's the future of engineering as well.